Today evening, finally, our Hell Week challenge will be launched. I will give you targets which will push you to your limits. Like throughout the year, you have been playing with the idea of doing more than you're capable of and pushing yourself and all that. None of you were able to do that. So now, as time remains less, 7 days are here, and see, I'm telling you, this 7 day challenge is not for everyone. You can't just tell me ki bhaiya I'm not able to do this, not able to do that. If you don't want to join, you're definitely okay, right? You don't have to join. But if you join this 7 day challenge, I'll promise you three things. First thing, all the things which I'm making you cover in the next 7 days, they will come in NEET 2025. Whether it is the selective portions of NCRTs, where it is the SURYA Plus test series or anything, whatever I'm making you complete in the next 7 days, it is very, very important for NEET. Otherwise, it won't be a part of this 7 day challenge. Second thing, it will be very tough and very demanding. Like if you feel ki yaar bhaiya, a lot of time has gone by, not much time is left for NEET, and I want to focus on myself, I want to push myself as much as possible, I have that determination in myself, then you should definitely join. But if you feel ki bhaiya dekh lenge kya hota hai, kya farak padta hai, ek exam hi to hai, then please don't join the challenge. It will be very tough, it will be very demanding. The third thing which I promise you is that if you follow this challenge to the point, right, and even if you're not able to follow it 100%, but you follow it 60, 70, 80%, you will see a drastic and dramatic increase in your scores. That is for sure. You will see an increase in your scores, because I'll give you a brief on what all we'll be covering. We'll be covering physics, chemistry, bio, all three NCRTs, the most important areas from which actual NEET paper will be made from. We'll be covering your weak areas. We'll be going through your analysis. We'll be focusing on the areas which you are not comfortable in. We'll be focusing on the areas which are most important for the NEET aspect. My list of topics. We'll be covering more than 1,500 questions in the next 7 days. You see the amount of question practice we'll be covering in the next 7 days. So we will be doing a lot of things, right? What matters is you don't have to give up. Not much time is left for NEET. So these 7 days could actually be the difference between you cracking NEET or you shying away from it, right? If you have that spark in you, if you have that concept ki yaar bhaiya theek hai, even if there is 1% chance left, I am going to take that chance. Because see, you had the whole year to prepare. Even if you didn't have the whole year, whatever the case was, giving 7 days to this should not be an issue. Worst case scenario, you're not able to follow it up to the mark and you were only able to follow 50% of the challenge, does not matter, because even in the 50% of the challenge that you covered, you have covered more than what students could cover in the last 6 months of their preparation. So you will be defeating everyone if you follow this challenge to the point. We'll be taking daily interactions. I'll be going live daily to discuss with you, and I will be with you throughout every step of the way, right? Our SURYA Plus test series have already been launched. If you haven't joined, you can definitely go and join. They are our paper prediction series. We are aiming at 700 plus ka paper to predict for NEET 2025. Last year we had predicted 712 out of 720 paper. All the links, like always, you'll find in the description and pinned comment. And that's it. I just wanted to give you a heads up that today 7 p.m. you have to be there. Our Hell Week challenge is finally here. And from tomorrow, the next 7 days will be tough. But if you follow it, if you survive it, you will crack NEET 2025. Thank you.